Welcome to Health and Life. I'm Glenn Carrillo. Today we're talking with Dr. O.T. Adcock from the Riverside Medical Group as they develop the concept of the patient-centered medical home. Dr. Adcock, what is a medical home?
You might think of a medical home as being an office or a building, but at Riverside we think of medical home as being your personal health team. That's a team of medical professionals led by your primary care physician, and you, the patient, are at the center of that team.
What's the benefit to the patient?
It allows the patient to receive more comprehensive medical care, and while at the same time gives them better access to our office both during office hours and afterwards.
What is Riverside doing to promote the concept of the patient home?
We're developing staff models to be able to handle these more complex patients that enter our offices. We're also preparing patient education models. As I mentioned before, the patient is at the center of the medical home team. And to have a patient engaged and to help participate in their health care, they have to be informed and educated, and we're striving to do that. We're also bringing in people from the community from our offices and canvassing them to see what they like and don't like about medical practice and trying to adapt our offices to that.
Does technology play a role in the patient home?
Technology is critical for a patient-centered medical home. The electronic health record, which is the center of that, allows us to track our patients and to provide continuity of care throughout all the medical care that they receive. Riverside has had an electronic health record since 1998. In fact, we're one of the 100 most wired health systems in the United States and have been for the past 8 years. We also have My Healthy Link, which allows you to access your personal health information either by computer or using your mobile phone.
What has changed in healthcare that makes this concept so important?
I think we're having to manage a larger number of patients, and that will probably get even more so. Also, the patients tend to be more complex. Having a patient-centered medical home allows us to spend more time on these more complex patients to help provide them with better medical outcomes.
Thank you, Doctor. If you would like to schedule an appointment with a Riverside primary care physician and make Riverside your medical home, call Riverside at 757-875-7880 or just visit riversideonline.com/medical home. For Health and Life, I'm Glenn Carrillo.